Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the new card in the TransferGo application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then at the account section, look for the My Cards button and click on that. And then just click on the Add a new credit/debit card button. And then just click on the Add a debit or credit card section. So in order to do this, you need to provide the credit card number, the expiry date, and then the CVV code, which is a 3-digit number at the back of your card. And then just click on the next button to add it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.